Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by eliminating wireless variables. Plug your device into the router with CAT5E or better and turn Wi-Fi off. Run a speed test to establish a baseline so you know what to improve. Once done, update network interface drivers, confirm full duplex and 1 Gbps link in adapter settings, and close background apps that use bandwidth. This fast wired baseline reveals whether the problem is your ISP, router, or Wi-Fi, and it gets you straight to the only reliable optimization path. You now tune the router and host stack. Flash the router with the latest firmware, enable hardware NAT or CPU offload to reduce packet processing delays. Then set the MTU to the recommended value for your connection, usually 1500 or sometimes 1492, and switch DNS to a low-latency resolver such as 1, 1, 1, 1. Once these are set, configure simple CoS rules to prioritize interactive and upstream traffic, and move heavy consumers to their own VLAN or guest network to prevent contention. You finish by verifying and stabilizing the improvements. Run multiple speed tests and traceroutes to confirm reduced latency, consistent throughput, and no packet loss. Test at different times of day. Make small adjustments, tweak CoS, reassign channels if Wi-Fi returns, or set static DHCP leases. If results are poor, reboot the modem/router, replace the Ethernet cable, and retest. If problems persist, contact your ISP with traceroute logs. That single path, wired baseline, router/offload, CoS, resolves nearly all speed issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.